Woohoo, guys. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Guys, can y'all see it? Tell me when y'all can see it. Awesome. We got a toad here. Now, it is a common misconception that, oh man, that you can get warts from holding a toad. Man, I can't catch this thing. Jesus. Oh no. Oh, that's lame. But, fish shadow. But you cannot. Maybe I'll do some like B-roll. Toads do not give. That would have been way better if I could have caught that thing. Okay, we found another one. This one's a little bit different, but it's actually a little bit bigger. I don't even want to hold it. Chilling. But apparently you cannot get warts from handling these guys. So, yeah. Awesome. Oh. The chunky boy. Whoop. Boop. Haha. So yeah, just gonna put him back down. That's crazy. I didn't think I would see another one. Oh, that's that.